Is it 3 in the morning yet?
It's like wild.
Shut up.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. If you haven't already subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button, comment under the comment section, and share this video. Today is another weekly vlog. I really don't have a lot to do this week because, well, I don't normally do anything in another week. But this week, I really not have anything to do this week because this week is a stay-home week, and I've been waiting for this week where I don't have to go anywhere, where I don't have to leave my house when I'm just taking the kids to school. But it also means that I have a lot of things to do in the house. But today is Monday, and you guys know that I don't normally want to do anything on a Monday, right? Monday is normally my do not do anything type of day.
I swear I'm not doing anything, nothing at all.
So I've been just chilling all morning, and it's 1:35 to be exact, and I'm just now feeling like I need to definitely need to do something. So first of all, I'm actually recording on my camera, so it's kind of weird. So I want you guys to comment to tell me how you guys feel about the quality of this. And I will also be using a different video editor to edit these videos. So I want you guys to compare what you thought about when I was actually using my phone and using iMovie versus using this. I think the editor is called CapCut that I'm going to start using. So stay tuned for that. So this video is going to be full-blown camera and going to be done on CapCut for the editing. So it's gonna be my first time, so let me know how you guys feel about that, if I should go back to my phone or I can actually use the camera and iMovie still. So you still have the option of telling me whether or not you think it's better on iMovie, you like the CapCut editing, you like the quality of the camera, or you like the quality of the phone better. So let me know. So I was saying that I really don't have anything to do more than just cleaning up. I do have a couple Amazon packages that I'm gonna open right now, and I do have a couple more coming out. I'm still broke, but these are things that I really need to kind of spruce the house up for spring. Just some sheer curtains and stuff like that. So it's not a lot of stuff, but right now some of them came, so we're gonna open that first, and after that I need to do my I need to file my taxes this week. So what I need to go find all the paperwork. Troy already has his. I did the taxes last year by myself and we didn't have any issues, so yay me. I want to go ahead and get all the paperwork together, if not today, or get most of them together today. If I don't get everything today, then finish it off tomorrow. I need to file it by hopefully Thursday, so we can just get everything in so we can get the returns them quickly. Apart from that, clean up, laundry, cook. I really don't even know what I'm gonna cook today because I'm really not in the mood. The light can keep going in and out because I'm using natural light, obviously. But yeah, me keeping the door while we're talking. So let me go ahead and jump right into the Amazon packages. Alright, so guys, I literally only have 4 packages today, so not a lot. So the first thing, we're gonna start with this bag. Okay, in this bag we have, it's a throw pillow cover. It's a 12 by 20 throw pillow cover. When I just changed around the place, it was more black and gold. Then for Christmas I kind of changed it more into like brownish goldish look with a speck of black. For the spring, same interior obviously, but I'm making it more brown. So this is it. I love this. Unfortunately, it only came in pack of just one dege one, so I had to eventually buy 2. So this one is called Mailer Ye Lumber Throw Pillow brown single striped. So this is how it looks. It's so thick. It's so thick and nice. Like, I love this for me. I got 2 of these. Let's see what's in this one. I got 2, but obviously came by itself. So let's see what the other one made of. So in this package comes 2 items. It's some sheer curtains for just really sheer, really thin. It's some regular sheer curtains, no specific design or anything. I think this one was my room. It is supposed to be 40 by 84. So I didn't go with anything extravagant. So this is it. It's long. Just a regular sheer curtain. This is blue. I think this is for Tristan. That's for Tristan. And then this is for my bathroom to put up at my shelving in the shower. It's the pack of 14. It comes with like double pieces, you know, the adhesive to go on the wall so you can hook the thingy on. So it comes with a couple of the double ones, and they have a couple of the triple ones. So I'm gonna put these up. So I needed these. I need these. I think it comes with some individual ones too, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it comes with some individual ones. So it's 14 pieces in total. Both double pack, triple pack, and the single one then. So I need this. Alright. So this is the 3rd box. I know. It's another blue curtain. Now I don't have any. Okay. I think that one, the first curtain I showed you, was actually for the playroom. This one is for Tristan's room. This one just have a little bit more decorative. That one was plain. This one have a little bit of design on it. And a little thicker. So this one is for Tristan's room. So same 84-inch. This one is called the, can't call the name there, Clip Jaguar sheer curtain 38 by 84. The last one has 3 packages in there. Have another set of the curtains. So just like the first one that has just regular, plain, diggly, nothing, is for the playroom. So I have the blue and the purple for the playroom. That's what that's for. And then you have the second one of the 12 by 20 throw pillow cover. Oh my god. Don't rip it, hook in the thing. Stop it. Come on. Don't rip. Alright, so this is it. And if you remember, like, I feel like this reminds us of my table runner, the brown one that I have, which is the same one I'm gonna put back on the table for spring. So this kind of match it. That cool. I think that's what dragged me. To that. And then here, what is this again? This is not a lot of stuff. Oh, this is actually the throw blankets for the living room. Go with the pillows. Wrap this up. So this is the thinner side. I have another one coming for this couch. This is for the little accent chair that I have. So this is it. So you're gonna have this and this together, which I feel like the color combo goes well. So this is gonna be in the accent chair along with this. So yeah, I might change it. I don't know. Let's see how I feel about it. I might go to something different on it, but that's it. Just a regular throw blankets. Regular size. It's small though. Think I can't do nothing. It's small. It's a regular throw blanket though. I think can't come up just on them. But for the meat, it would have to look at design. It's small, but no one in this so cheap. But hey, it is what it is. That's it. Not bad, not bigger. That's it for the Amazon haul. So again guys, drop a comment and tell me what you think about the quality of this camera. Comment and share. So we have, as usual, all this stuff to clean up, which we have to infuse boats ever. Alright, so right now I'll start looking for the papers. I think I need to go shred some stuff too. And start looking for the tax paper them, so I can start the tax filing quickly. I wanted to do some editing as well, but looking at the time, I'm gonna finish editing time, and I don't know what I'm gonna cook yet, and the kids will be coming home in the next 2 hours, so I don't know. But let's see, whatever it is that's gonna happen, you will see. So I'll see you in the next clip. I have some papers here that I need to go through, and I have the whole box that I need to sort. So I'm gonna go ahead and sort these out right now. So I'm gonna use the shredder for the first time, the brand new shredder. Remember the shredder that I purchased? We're gonna use that now. I wonder if the cord long enough. If it can't come around here, so we just shred away. That's what we decided to do. So we're gonna shred. So we're using this camera because I have the side piece here, right? And obviously the camera lens is right here. But just to make sure that we're in frame, I keep talking because remember from the phone I'm always seeing myself. With the camera, because the thing is to the side, and I keep looking like, but I need to be looking here. So I need to get used to that, because that is something I really have to get used to. So if you guys see me looking inside, like what the hell is she looking at, is because I have the frame or the lens over this side when naturally the camera lens is right here. So okay, need to remember focus here. So I just glimpse over it just to make sure it's in a frame, like, yeah. So that's the reason why. So I realized myself just now, I'm like focusing over this, and I'm like, no, Keneisha, this is where you need to be looking. It's weird, but I'm getting used to it. I must have never to come see, you know. I must have me say new to these things, but I want to make sure that if I'm gonna get serious about this whole YouTube, that I have the equipment for it. But I just want to make sure I'm gonna pick up myself, because I still have the box. I still have the box in case y'all say, Keneisha, no, this is not worth it. I got the box still. Still not go Amazon. Just hopefully it's not past the due time or the due date or whatever it is. But still I keep the box. And it's too expensive to go put on and say, oh, my number I use. So anyhow you guys feel like this quality is not making it, make it at all, just let me know. Right back at Amazon, there you go. The one thing I realized, and they did say this in the review, that the battery is easy to like frizz out. So as soon as it's easy to be drained. So I literally have the one that I just was talking to you guys about, because from the last time I opened it, I never changed it. So I'm thinking maybe that's why. So I just used one of the additional ones that I bought just now to see exactly how it is. So let's see how long this battery lasts for. Guys, just when I come in here the other day, I broke my tripod case. When my tripod said, okay, girl, I grew work. It good. Make it all like drop off with the lens and everything. Luckily the ring light never break. So this just there, that's a fair look of it. I'm trying to get this. To get a bag inside of it. I'm gonna get my little trash bag and come back. I think I'm in a position on if you're not see. Who wants to see me a shred paper? I'm not serious now. Who wants to see me a shred paper? Nobody. So I'm gonna sound like a nurse. I'm gonna shred some paper, go through and see if I can find me W2s and all these things for my tax stuff, and go from there. So I'm gonna play a little music and shred some paper. Yeah, let me hold it. guys, it's the next day and drop the kids in my school, come home, just eat something, and I'm like, I didn't check back in with you guys from yesterday. What I do yesterday? I didn't really do a lot of stuff yesterday, to be honest. What I do? I cook. I did cook. I went through all those paperwork. I shredded everything, sorted out everything. I think that kept up most of my day yesterday. Just sorting and everything. I had a lot of papers to go through. And let me just chill. I was just so out of it. But today, from last night, I said to myself, you know what? I'm gonna get up this morning. I'm gonna do some laundry. I am going to straighten up the place. Come on, know why the place just. It's like if you don't do something for one day, the place just look like say nobody not living in the house. It just look like I don't know. So we have plates in the sink that needs to be washed up. I got laundry because I didn't do no laundry last week. I don't even know. Because as I do it, so just the basket and just full again. Like say not never happened. Like I don't know. But anywho, but now I'm gonna do all that. I think I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing today. But don't judge me. The house is a mess. Don't know how that's happened. The house is a mess though, right? But I want to talk to them a little bit, and I have one box that came last night, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in there. The blanket I showed you guys yesterday, the little beige blanket looking thing, like the khaki looking one. I returned that. I gave my husband to return it. So because it's really small, it looks like some baby blankets. So I'm gonna get the other size for that. So as soon as the money hit the account and I say it's there, then we're gonna purchase the other one. One more box came yesterday for the so again guys, all these that I'm going through are actually stuff for the house. This is one box. It came last night and this has 3 items in there. So we'll just go through this real quick and fast. This is basically it's a pack of 4 and I bought 2 of them. So it's some throw pillow covers. It's the Womian Velvet Throw Couch Brown / Beige. So there are 4 different shades of beige / brown that's actually in here. And because there are 4 different colors, I couldn't just do 1 pack because then it's gonna be off me. So I bought 2 packs of 4. So this is basically the same exact thing that's in here. So I'm not gonna open this one. And they're 18 by 18. It should be 18 by 18. So here they are. So you have, and guys, my hands are really dry, I know. So there you go, 4 different shades, brown, and then go lighter and lighter and lighter. So 4 of them, and again I bought 2 packs, and these are for the living room, for the couch. Alright, and then you have this is the throw blanket for the couch, the bigger couch. That's a bigger couch, yeah. This is supposed to be bigger, but this is supposed to be like a 60 by 80, and it's supposed to be like, it's the twin, or it's too much number because if it's small, it'll go back to. So it should not be small. It's soft though. The whole time down here is open. Jesus, please, I'm ripping up a whole bag. But no, sir, this is nice. And long and big. Woo! This is nice, guys. Look on the inside. This is actually the outside. This is how it should be. Can you see it? So nice. So this is also for the big couch. This is so nice. I'm loving this. It looks even better in person. Like, this is so nice. Yeah, so it's supposed to be going with these. You know? Remember, I'm going with a brown theme for spring. Brown and gold. Still I have the little speck of black in there, but you know, the main color is gonna be brown. I love this. It look there. See? Yeah, this is the twin one. So yes, girl. Yes. What? Loving this, loving this, loving this. So that's it. That's it. Got some more stuff that should be coming later today. So obviously if they come today, you'll definitely see that tomorrow. And I still have still doing this, still looking over here. But yeah, so now we're gonna do some laundry. Then we're gonna wash some dishes. I'll put them in the dishwasher. And then I have some laundry that I washed before. I don't remember for the last week or the week before that I washed them and I sit in the pan for fold up. So we're gonna fold that up. I washed one of the bathroom last week. I still have the other one to wash. So I may do that as well. And I have no idea what I'm gonna cook today. But to try to bring 2 breadfruits. I might want to much just throw them in the oven, but I don't know what I'm gonna eat as meat kind for it. I really don't know. But you know what? One step at a time. One step at a time. I also was thinking of when I grab the kids later, I still didn't get to wash Tavania's hair and I need to wash her hair. So all that's happening. But let's see. One step at a time. And I don't know if I'm going to talk to you about this today or I'm going to talk about it tomorrow. I think maybe later on in the night. Because right now if I start talking about it, I'm not going to done. But just keep it in mind that I'm coming back to talk to you guys about Risa Tisa, Legion, as her name. And I will be talking to you guys also about the new show I'm gonna watch, which Kelly Rowland would have gone with herself. Mea Culpa. Yes. So we're gonna have a new session called KeneishaSays Current Affairs Saga. So yeah. So coming to the next clip. Maybe the next clip. I don't know. But we're talking about this in this weekly vlog because a lot of things that's on my mind that we need to talk about, okay? So, anyways, let's go start cleaning.
Is it 3 in the morning yet?
It's like wild. Shut up.
many things have happened today. As you can see, I'm cooking and I'm looking crazy. I just enter the garage. Turn on my light. Turn on light. Oh, here we go. And for some strange reason, every time I choose to be cooking for you guys, I end up using the smallest pot for some odd reason. Like my pot them never can full. I actually just come downstairs to get some veg. Did some washing as you guys saw. Did some cleaning up. I'm gonna try to hurry up and cook so the kids can get something to eat. I am so tired. Not sure I'm gonna walk you through the whole cooking today because I just want to really hurry up and eat, hurry up and cook so I can share the food and stuff. So I'm not gonna show everything. Right now, as you can see, the food is on the stove. Chicken again. Choose a small pot for some odd reason. So I'm doing stew chicken and some white rice. Then I'm gonna do this veg. Instead of stir fry, I'm actually just gonna steam it, and that's gonna be dinner. And I might use some avocado. It might feel ripe, so I might use some of this too. So yeah, and that will be dinner. So I'll show you the final product after I am done. I'm still looking crazy because I just run out of the house, grab the kids, I'm coming in, just start cooking immediately. So I'm gonna try to finish. It's actually 6:01 right now. I need to go clean up, but the kitchen, as you can see, the sink was still a mess. Was still a mess because I cleaned up the kitchen before, but the kitchen is now a mess. Like the sink, I need to go wash up these dishes inside here. And let me just go finish cook. I'm hungry too. I'm hungry, I get angry. So let me go finish cooking. I'll show you guys what I have at the end of it. I'll show you how the I can't put that. I'll show you how the outcome go. I don't know. I'm gonna finish cooking and eat some food. Okay, guys, change the pot. The whole of the pot something that the whole of the pot there's something that boil over, so I had to change it. Now it's my Dutch pot. Yeah. So now I do the rice. Anybody wondering why I use my foil paper? If you're not a Jamaican, it's because to hold the steam for the rice, you turn the fire all the way down and lock it up with the foil paper, and it just steam by itself. Yeah. So this is actually the next day, actually the next morning, as I'm coming to Vanya's here for her to go to school. I did not intentionally mute this video to do a voiceover. No, I did not do that. But the next half of this video, for some crazy reason, has been muted. I'm not sure what I did on my camera. I'm not sure what the camera did to me, but yeah, it's all muted. So majority of this video, I'm gonna have to delete. And this CapCut, I'm editing this right now, and it's just ridiculous. Like, it has some great features, don't get me wrong, I'm loving them, but for the majority of it, I love my iMovie because CapCut is just so stupid. Like, some things that you can actually do on iMovie you just can't do on here, and it's just driving me crazy. But for the most part, I hope you're enjoying the video. Alright guys, good morning. Obviously you see that it's the next day. So I just dropped the kids at school. I'm heading home. It's raining, as you can see outside. It's gloomy. It's been raining since last night. And it's just funny that today is like one of the warmest days so far since February started. It's like up to 52 degrees and it's going up to the late 50s today. And it's raining, like you can't even enjoy it. Yesterday was also a nice day too. Yesterday went up to like 54. But it's raining. Anywho, I wanted to talk to you guys. I don't want to look a bit better. I might have a conversation with them, but it is what it is, right? Let's call this session, as I said yesterday, this segment is called Keneisha Says Current Affairs Saga. And the first topic on the list today is Risa Tisa. Now, if you don't know who Risa Tisa is, this is a lady that spoke candidly about her life, meeting her ex-husband from the very first date through COVID, and then eventually marrying. My police just passed and I'm speaking. Let me take the time. I know somebody's still want to pass now. Yeah, meeting this person during COVID and spending COVID in lockdown quarantining with this person, eventually marrying this person, and up to divorce. So it's a whole episode. It's like she did it like a audiobook, which was very cool because I actually listened to the whole thing while cleaning the bathroom, and that kept me going. And it keeps you intrigued and on your toes and everything. So you guys can go check that out on her page. She's a TikToker. And it blew up all over the place. It's on all platforms now. It's even reached the news where she was interviewed and stuff. Big thing. Them find the man. It's a big thing. But I want to just give my take on it. Like, obviously everybody, and she knows that she's an idiot with the whole situation. So she confessed that she was stupid, you know, and she giving you the reason why she was stupid. She wanted, you know, she wanted it to be her time. She wanted the whole marriage and the picket fence and the big house and all these things. And I feel like, you know, she called the man Legion, and I feel like we all had a Legion in our life. If we don't still have one in our life right now living with. Right? But let me tell you something. I'm gonna tell you where I'm not think of the whole life in terms of wanting her to be her time. But I feel like from the very first time, I'm gonna tell you what catch her, because she spoke about the fact that he was so detailed as to all that he has and all the money he have and the job, and you know, he wants to settle down and all these good things. Immediately after they start talking, you know, him volunteered to just pay all her bills. No, Risa was never a rich girl, and she claims that she grew up on welfare. So, like, hearing all these things, and the fact that the man never looked bad, I feel like Risa, whether you believe it or not, the money catch you. The fact say you could have a man that start pay bills, you hear about all in offshore accounts, you hear about all these good things. So you talk about the BMW where you find with the cognac interior and all these things where you want. The money catch you. So you find a man where you feel like can take care of you. And no matter all the red flags that were out there, staring in your face, boxing in your eye, thumping in your eye, all these things, like, you just thought, you know, I ain't have the money, so if I do this, I can't go out and pay my bills by myself because I don't have it. I want a big car, I want a big house, I wanted this. So all when it was right here, so it was so oblivious, you were so oblivious to the whole thing, and it was like brighter so in your face. The money that catch you, the money. You were like, yes, I score a big one. Not only that I can get a husband, but I have one with money. I feel my time. So the money catch you, man. The money catch you. Because there's no way. For me personally, I'm 9 till 7, like, fan of them Legion in my life. But like, Legion, the two lie. Him pass. Like it have a different level of lying, right? Him was a scammer. Him did a chop every line. But for me, ever since me have pitted a girl up or a teenager and I talk to man, if you come to me and start telling me everything what you have, I don't want to talk to you, because I never ask you all of them stuff here. And normally you're fluffing things if you just volunteer all this information. I didn't ask you for that. So for me, that part wouldn't catch me. Because maybe that would just be a turn off for me. It's always a turn off if you come and just start telling me all you have. I didn't ask you that. I'm not trying to date what you have. I'm trying to find out who you are. From ever since me at Jamaica, that was always my thing. Once you come and start telling me about you have this, and your father have this, and you get this a land here, and you have how much money, and you have this and that. Sir, go by. One of dates all of what you have. I'm not in for it. And you know that Legion always talk about the money, always talk about this, always talk about that, in boastful, in just, it's like a Jamaican man, boasty bad. So like, I know, Risa, I feel like you did put that one on yourself. Like you saw it, but the money lick you for six. So when you realize that the money now come true, that's when you start investigating, like what's going on with all the money. Anyhow, you didn't realize that the money just not add up. You wouldn't have investigated. Because if he actually started pushing out everything that he said, you wouldn't investigate. Okay, I say, yeah, my man saw so, my man, alright, yeah. But because the money didn't come true. So, at least you learn the hard way, but you learn, you get shit ain't gonna happen. It's not gonna happen to you again. I can tell you that. But Risa Osha, you have to live to learn. Sorry, so that's Risa Sisa. So they can go and check her out. It's like a whole 50 episode, 10 minutes long vlog video thingy on TikTok. And again, it's circulating all over the place. But that's my thoughts on Risa Tisa. I can't always come through when I want to come through, but that's my thoughts on Risa Tisa. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is Tyler Perry, Mea Culpa. Listen, a long time I see Tyler Perry coming, and I know there's a whole bunch of stuff going on with Tyler and Oprah and what they might do to the industry and everything. But let me tell you something. Tyler come up with this one, and not only that, the star is actually Kelly Rowland. I've never really sat and watched a movie with Kelly Rowland. Kelly Rowland starred the scene. She ate everything. Mama ate the whole thing and I left no crumbs. Kelly, you're going with yourself. This is a thriller, romantic, action. I don't know, it's a mixture of everything. But let me tell us, a girl did her thing. I love it. It's sexual. It keep you up on the tip of your toe. You don't know what to expect. She cheat on her husband. Like, not to do spoiler alert if you haven't watched it. It's on Netflix. It's like one of the top 10 movies going on right now. You need to go watch it. But I don't want to spoil it for you. What may I tell us? Say, them sex scene there. And that guy, what's his name again? What name? Travis Trevon or something like that. The next lead. Him. I don't know. Those are the type of guy that I would definitely fall for that guy. That guy would actually catch me because I'm like a Kelly or a Mia in this situation where I always play advocates, and if you not come more than me or feel like you just come talk to me one particular way, I'm gonna drop my drawers for you. Sorry, look at me explicit. But like, you not gonna talk to me like that. Like, we're not gonna just drop for you. Like, there's something that move me. But I do like a man that's confident. And I love the challenge, you know? So that type of ego and stuff like that, but I get hit and run. I would definitely give you a hit and run. Just because of your ego. Just to show you, say, you know more than me. Like, that was back in the day. I would definitely do that. But the show it's a masterpiece. You guys need to go check it out. It's a masterpiece. Alright, so let's move on to the next topic. Let's talk about his and run. Let's talk about Shenseea for a minute. I know she dropped off of the scene a little bit. It's not so hot anymore. But I wanted to talk about her. It's been going on since she put out our new single, Hit and Run with Massacre. And it was like a frenzy all over social media. And the interview that she did with that dude. I don't know. I love the song. Everybody said the song is not a hit, I love the song. And I know that I'm gonna come off of Shenseea because of all the foolishness that she had gone with in terms of, you know, the backlash that she did for Jamaica and stuff like that. And, you know, just how disrespectful she was towards Jamaica or Jamaicans. And the type of songs that she was doing. Because Shenseea, you know, that in them foolishness, that they kind of and you kept on saying it more than once. And like you say it and then apologize, you come back and keep on saying it over and over and over and over, right? So I get that Jamaicans are like, girl, you just try to come back over here. What are you doing? What are you doing? You need an apology and all these things. And then she come, I think the guy named Jeffrey or something like that. And I went back and I watched some of his podcasts and stuff. And Jeffrey is the type of person that he's gonna speak his mind about, you know, what I'm feeling about artists and situation. It's more like the entertainment industry type thing that he would actually talk on or speak on, right? At one point, he spoke about the fact that Shenseea flopped and Shenseea got fine and whatever not. She flopped. She not come up with no hit. She do all of these big song and all of them something here, and it just not make no sense. And he was the one who did the interview with her, and I think he's the only one as a Jamaican social media journalist that actually did the interview with Shenseea. And the first thing that Shenseea said was like, yeah, maybe you're saying I flop and all these things, and more find out what you mean. When I said this man buckle, everybody spoke about this, and he came back and he was so not humble. He was so up in his feelings and all these things, but dude, no. Hey, go humble yourself, man. Humble yourself. So Shenseea asked him, what you mean summer flop? What that supposed to mean? And this one buckle. I mean, I said no lie. I was shocked. I was like, where's the Jeffrey? What? Come on, big and bold and said the girl flop. Where's the Jeffrey? What disrespect everybody and have no chat? Like, I say what I'm saying, that is it. This guy buckle and I mean I'm like, no, that don't mean, you know, just because this and just because that and all that good stuff. Like, this guy was like, I never seen him speechless before. And this interview was not an interview. We don't know what it was, but it was not an interview. Like, all the stuff that we needed to hear, like why do certain music, why disrespect the people you need to get an apology, like stuff like that. You flop, you were flopped, you flop. You what? The Shenseea want me listen to are back in the day Shenseea. You know? The can't even sing what the top of the song now, but the Sheng Yang and all of them back in the day song, like those are the songs that I listen to when I listen to Shenseea. When I listen to them new song here. Except for Hit and Run. Hit and Run I like it. Hit and Run have a thing, you have a buzz, right? But as I said before, this Jeffrey dude, after him did the interview and everybody come out and I say, oh dude, what was that? Like, he went up in his feelings and he started talk all these things. The fact is that whether you believe it or not, whether you like it or not, you did not do an interview. I know what you did, but you did not do an interview. You did for all on pound what you believe in her. Advise the girl, say, yeah, you do flop. And I said what I said. And these are the reasons for that. Yeah, if she will explain herself after that for say, yo, these are the reasons why I was doing what I did, then fine. But you also need to come back and talk about the fact when you talk to, you know, Jamaican people like idiots and whatever. Like, she needed to give an apology. I mean, she came out and said we need to give her some grace and all these things. But, Mama, you didn't ask for that before. Anyway, the question is, do you think Shenseea can actually come back in the dancehall Jamaican industry? Do you think we can ever welcome her back? To me, it is what it is. Like, girl, not pay my bill. Girl, she can do whatever she want to do. It's her career, right? If she put out a good song tomorrow morning, I'm gonna sing it if I'm feeling the song. And if I'm not feeling it, I'm just not feeling it. You know, it is what it is. Repping Jamaica, I would like her to do that more. Yeah. But at the same time, it's just like how I came here and I say, I love my country and I'll do whatever for my country, but I will not go back there. I feel like she's still in that, I think she's in that mind frame as well, where she got to do what she got to do, right? Because at the end of the day, yeah, she come from Jamaica, but she still got to do her, you know? And a lot of people will not understand until you actually move from one place to another, or move from Jamaica to come here or whatever not. And if you're not in a good space, so you may not understand what we're saying, but I'm not gonna disrespect Jamaica. We'll never disrespect Jamaica. And I mean, she did, but don't do that. But for me, it's not necessarily disrespecting Jamaica. I will never disrespect Jamaica, but the truth is the truth, right? Regardless of where you are. Like, me tell about America, or them sucky with certain things and whatever not. I've been talking about Jamaica. So it's not, I've been talking about America as well as I speak about Jamaica. I love my country. I love where I'm at the moment. And stuff like that. So I feel like it's the same road that Trinity the trod. She did do her thing, and at the end of the day, Jamaica is our home. You know what I mean? Anywho, that's it for Shensia. I don't think there's anybody else somebody could talk about right now. I think that is it for KeneishaSays Current Affairs Saga. If there's anything else that you guys want me to speak on, go ahead and drop it in the comment section, and I will pick up this. This is just something I thought about, and I said, let me just drop it in there as a different segment. But if you guys feel like you want to see more, you have different current affairs that you want me to talk about, like, drop it in the comment section below right now. No, not that's so. Right now, and put a like in this video, like this video, and share it as well. So it's still raining, as you can see, and I don't know, the car is always the best place to talk. I have my camera, by the way. I've been using the camera. I'm using the phone right now, and the reason I'm using the phone because the thing that I purchased, I showed you guys, it's still not working. Tries have to use the alcohol to put on there to clean up the area and stuff like that, but it's still not sticking. And that's $6, so I'm not gonna send it back. So what I have for my phone is like a suction cup thing, like that now come off. But I try to take it off and put the camera right, which part there right now, but it now come off. I have to make sure I do that. But I have the suction cup one that I actually purchased, should be coming on Thursday. So when it comes, then that's when I'm gonna put these up. So I've been using this inside the house because I don't want to drop. I bring it with me just in case, but I have to do something. But I wanted this whole video to be about just using the camera and using a different edit as I spoke to you guys about, which is CapCut. I don't really know anything about CapCut, but I'm gonna try it because I realized that it's now free on Mac. I think that's all the rambling I have. I have some more stuff that I received from Amazon yesterday, and I have some more stuff that will be coming throughout the week. But at first I was gonna open them up for you guys today, but I feel like I'm gonna just keep everything accumulates, everything that's coming, along with I have some stuff that's coming from Shein, and just do like a overall haul. So I think I'm gonna do that. So yesterday also I did the laundry, I did the washing up, I did the cooking, as you guys saw. I did not finish the laundry, and I did not get the chance to edit, and I never get to wash stuff on here. So I'm gonna try to see if I can wash stuff on here today, finish up the laundry, and we have food left over, so I'm gonna have to cook today. And I'm going to start editing right now. So let's go into the house. I've been talking for like 20 minutes. That's crazy. You guys really listen to me talk this long? And guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. All right, let's go. If you're enjoying the video, this is one of the parts that I'm gonna have to delete because nobody understands what's going on here. But hey guys, I think I'm telling you guys that I just dropped the kids off at school, and I'm gonna get something to eat because as usual I'm hungry. But I hope you guys are enjoying this regardless of all the craziness that I have to do behind the scene. Go ahead and like this video, comment, share, and if you haven't already subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Alright guys, go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, I remember this part. I was actually trying to make some smoothie, and for some reason I thought it was only mangoes, but I was planning on doing mango and banana. But when I actually opened this bag, I realized that it was actually a variety of fruits. It seems like Troy actually threw the extra fruits in there from the other frozen fruits. So in there you had mango, pineapple, and all the other fruits. So I was about to blend this, and that was actually my breakfast. So yeah, I remember. I also did not have any almond milk, so I was gonna use my regular 2% milk.
Okay.
So this is later in the evening. Tavania is home and I'm about to wash her hair. Now, if you could actually hear all the other clips that I had to delete, you basically understand that I'm trying to get back into washing Tavania's hair as often as possible because she had developed some, I think it's like some type of fungus and stuff that was going on in her hair, because for some odd reason her hair was like very flaky but thick with the flake, like it was taking up. So I had to call her doctor and I was given a shampoo. Is called ketoconazole. I asked for this shampoo specifically because I remember when TJ was a baby back in Jamaica, this was something that the pediatrician at the time had actually prescribed, and it worked wonders. So this is me applying it to her scalp right now. I'm actually on the second bottle right now. And then I also went ahead and purchased an Aveeno Kids Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner, the 2-in-1. And I've been using this for like the last month and I haven't seen any flakes since I've been using both of them. I'm also using the Jamaican castor oil in her hair. Looking at Tavania's hair, I would normally wash it like every 2 weeks, but because I'm working on the weekends when she's home, it's kind of hard to wash her hair. So now her hair is actually going 34 months, which is not good. So it's causing her hair to break out. Like her hair, combing her hair, you can see that her hair is so short. Like this is not the Tavania hair that I'm used to, and the texture has changed. So I'm trying to get back into flow. I try to leave work early sometimes on Sundays, or now I'm trying to do like wash her hair in the week and stuff like that, so you can actually get back on track. So this is basically what you're seeing, and then I'll be actually combing her hair. But again, most of these things I'm trying to explain to you guys while going through the video. I have to delete some of them to do the voiceover. So again, hope you're enjoying.
You feel for say, come here say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.